Cracks in concrete can occur due to various factors such as shrinkage during drying, temperature fluctuations that cause expansion and contraction, the absence of control joints, uneven settlement of the ground, overloading, corrosion of reinforcement, and even water-related issues like freeze-thaw cycles. KOSTER KB Pox IN is a two-component low-viscous epoxy injection resin that permanently seals cracks and restores the structural integrity of the construction elements. For a successful crack injection, it is important that all necessary equipment, tools, and accessories are available on-site before commencing the work. For vertical cracks, the injection is carried out using an appropriate injection device such as the KOSTER 1C injection pump. Commence by placing bore holes along the course of the crack on alternating sides of the crack in an interval of typically 10 to 15 centimeters or half the cross-section thickness. The horizontal distance to the crack should be also approximately 10 to 15 centimeters. Cracks are to be sealed with KOSTER KB Fix 5 to prevent losses through the crack, leaving approximately 5 centimeter open at the top as pressure release point and to control injection distribution in the crack. The holes are drilled toward the crack at an angle of approximately 45 degrees and cleaned with pressurized air to remove dust and debris. The diameter of the bore holes depends on the packers chosen for the specific job. Install the KOSTER Super Packers initially in every second borehole. Pre-tighten it by turning it and use a wrench or a battery drill to finish tightening the packer in the borehole. Start with cleaning of the pump by filling the hopper with the KOSTER Universal Cleaner and pumping the cleaner out of the pump into a small bucket. Approximately 2 liters of cleaner are necessary to flush the pump and free the hoses from oil. To proceed with injection, KOSTER KB Pox IN components A and B are opened using the KOSTER ring spanner. Components A and B are poured into a bucket and mixed intensively using a slowly rotating electrical mixer, preferably equipped with a KOSTER resin stirrer. The material must be mixed for a minimum of 3 minutes until it is streak-free and homogeneous in appearance. Then, the material is poured into the hopper. Start pumping material in a disposal container to flush the cleaning agent and fill the hose with the injection material. Inject the KOSTER KB Pox IN via the KOSTER Super Packer into the crack, proceeding from bottom to top. Enough material has been injected into a particular injection port when KOSTER KB Pox IN comes out of the crack, opened borehole, or neighboring areas. To clean the pump, fill the hopper with KOSTER Universal Cleaner and pump the residual material out of the pump into a bucket. The recirculation line must also be cleaned using KOSTER Universal Cleaner to avoid material clogging of the pump. Unscrew the packers and finish the application by closing all boreholes and the pressure release point with the sealing mortar KOSTER KB Fix 5. KOSTER KB Pox IN injection resin stands out for its seamless and efficient approach to resolving crack sealing requirements. It offers a superior and user-friendly solution, guaranteeing an efficient and long-lasting result.